Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Google Documents on mobile phone, and the device that I use today is iPhone XR. And today I will like to show you the way how you can add the page number into your documents on the Google Docs. First thing you have to do, open your Google Docs application, and you just need to pick the documents that you want to add the page on. Just open it, and then you just need to go click this pencil button to have an access to edit the documents. And to add the page number, let's see here first. In this pages, there is no number on it, and the way how you can add the page number, you just need to take a look on this top option. There will be a plus button there. Go click the plus button and just scrolling down, so you will get the page number right here. So you just need to go click it, and now you just need to pick which number style that you want. If you want to have the page number in the top side, there will be this one, this two, and if you want to be in the down side, there will be this two in the right side. So here there will be two options too. You can add the page number in the first page to the rest, or you leave the cover blank and then start the page number into the next one. So you just need to go click this if you need it, and let's see the result. Now this is the cover, so there will be no number on this page, but then whenever you're scrolling down, in the down part on the right side, there will be a number there, and they will continue to the rest of the documents that you have. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.